Ever wonder why one tomato plant thrives while another struggles, even with the same care? One grows huge, loaded with fruit, the other stays small and sickly. The secret isn't just water or fertilizer, it's what's happening underground. We focus on leaves and stems, but real plant health starts with the roots. The difference between a thriving plant and a struggling one, it's the soil. Fertilizer is just a quick snack. Healthy soil is a full meal. True growth comes from building a living, rich ecosystem in your garden bed. Shift your focus from just feeding plants to building a strong foundation. We're about to unlock the secrets that separate average gardens from epic ones. It all starts with understanding what your plants need from the ground up. Forget quick fixes, let's learn how to create legendary soil. This is where gardening magic begins. Get ready to transform your garden. Soil is the city where roots live, and it needs to have everything they require. Roots anchor, absorb water, and pull up nutrients. If the soil's wrong, none of that works. Healthy soil isn't just dirt, it's a mix of minerals, air, water, and organic matter. The best soil is light, fluffy, and full of air pockets for roots to grow and water to drain. Pick up good soil. It's crumbly, not hard or sticky. Compacted soil is dense, with few air pockets, making it tough for roots to expand. Even if nutrients are present, roots can't reach them in bad soil. That's why soil quality is rule number one for epic gardening. Before planting, check if your soil is loose and full of life. Improving soil is the best investment for a better harvest. It pays off season after season. Let's see how to fix common soil problems. Your garden's future starts here. Compacted soil silently kills plant growth. It happens when soil gets pressed tight, by rain, walking, or heavy tools, eliminating air spaces. Roots struggle, growing sideways and staying shallow, making plants wilt quickly. Test your soil after rain, push a screwdriver in. If it's tough, you've got compaction. Water pooling on the surface is another sign. The fix? Loosen soil with a broad fork or garden fork, just rock it back and forth to aerate. You don't need to till, just create air channels. Do this once at the start of the season for a huge difference. Deeper roots mean stronger, healthier plants. This simple step can turn a struggling plant into a thriving one. After loosening soil, make it rich and alive with organic matter. Compost and worm castings are your best friends. Compost, decomposed kitchen scraps and yard waste, improves soil structure and holds moisture. It's packed with beneficial microbes that release nutrients for your plants. Worm castings are even richer, acting as a superfood for soil. Just a handful in each planting hole gives seedlings a huge boost. They improve aeration, drainage, and provide steady nutrients. The key: feed the soil, not just the plant. Add compost or worm castings every season to build a self-sustaining ecosystem. Healthy soil means fewer pests and diseases. Strong soil grows strong plants. This simple shift will change your gardening forever. With great soil, let's finish the puzzle: sun, water, and a secret weapon. Most veggies need 6-8 hours of direct sun. Plant them where they'll get it. Water deeply but less often to encourage deep, strong roots. Early morning is best to prevent disease. Now, the secret weapon: mycorrhizal fungi. These beneficial fungi form a network with roots, helping them absorb more water and nutrients. Sprinkle the powder on roots when planting. One application lasts for life. Plants become stronger, more resilient, and more productive. Focus on soil, root space, sun, water, and fungal friends. You'll see epic results and your best harvest ever. Happy gardening!